Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ajido Langsa Hill High Secondary School Education and Dedication Program de jaina ase. So idu cottage idu kundu jaga de ase bole do Lampong Sengha village de ase. Done school la environment khan kina ase, building khan, compound khan aru ajila events khan sob dekhai do de do side age. Do se do side le do ina dekhi sabe building kan na ase de. Done moi China dekhai do de.
I am Pungnan Konyak, General Secretary of KSU. Today I stand here on behalf of the President, Konyak Students Union, who could not make it today due to unavoidable circumstances. On behalf of the Konyak Students Union, I would like to convey our heartfelt greetings to everyone present here on this historic and joyous occasion.
ईश्वर के थैंक्स दिया से इदु विसिट टीवी मानुkan Langsahil School la Langsahil High Secondary la manu kuning na thakanai albi aji mokan history side le we have completed 29 years 29 years complete হৈছে আৰু আজি আগিলে KSU General Secretary को कॉलेजना मैट्रिक एग्जाम दिखना भी 10 years consecutively ईश्वर गौरवपुरा 100% result पाव पारिसे तो एकटा apply কৰি চাবলে তো পাবি না পাবি apply কৰি চাবলে কিলে মানে before we apply for accreditation to high secondary mokan ekta documents aru lage to mokan to itu to pa nai itu na pai na thakise itu ekta fulfill dokuna thakise already we applied aru tate our honorable advisor personal interest bhi thakise personal intervention bhi thakise aru KSU president Mr. Temang I be personal involved in aji high secondary to ile to it is happening or it has happened so I am so grateful to them also aru aha jitni bhi I look forward that you will continue to extend your helping hand towards the growth of this high secondary school.
God, I can't believe how you love me. What a friend you have been.
Good morning, everyone. To God be the glory, great things He has done. Our Holy Bible says, all the good and great things come from Him. This morning, we are here to celebrate the gift of God, which we sang also, and which we read in the Holy Book also. So this morning, I take this privilege, the opportunity to unveil this morning. We are here to celebrate the gift of God and marking this accreditation of Langsar Hill Higher Secondary School, high school to higher secondary school. And as I said, I take this privilege with a hope and will believe that this institute will be the center of excellence in days to come. God bless.
Behalf of the school, I express my sincere gratitude to all you gracing this important occasion, the inauguration and dedication of our higher secondary upgrade. First and foremost, I extend our sincere gratitude to our esteemed special guest, Mr. Wangpang Konyak, Honorable MLA and Advisor, Social Welfare, Government of Nagaland, for kindly accepting our invitation and for inspiring us with your valuable words. Your presence has truly uplifted the spirit of this occasion. I would also like to thank respected Reverend M. Chenyu Konyak, CES KBPB. Your prayers and act of dedication, dedicating this institution under God's care have added spiritual strength and meaning to this important milestone in our school's journey.